Your Traeger Pro 575 just finished cooking, and it's the perfect time to clean it. I'll show you the shutdown cleaning method that makes removing grease easy with just 5 simple tools. Hey, BBQ family, welcome back to Terrace BBQ Trials. I just finished a fantastic cookout, and instead of letting it cool completely, I'm showing you why cleaning during shutdown is the smartest move you can make. Here's the secret. During shutdown, your Traeger is at the perfect temperature. Hot enough to let the grease drain like a liquid, but safe enough to clean with proper gloves. This timing makes all the difference for easy grease removal. 6 tools for optimal results: heat-resistant gloves for safety, degreaser for cutting residue, a regular sponge for gentle cleaning, a wire sponge for stubborn stains, a scraping brush for heavy-duty work, and a vacuum cleaner to collect ash left by pellets. Each tool has its perfect time. Start with the grill grates when they're perfectly hot. For more stubborn charred stains, apply the degreaser, wait a few seconds, then use the wire sponge. The scraping brush effortlessly slides through this buildup. Look how easy it is to clean. The drip pan is where post-cooking cleanup is at its best. Hot grease easily drains into the waste disposal container. Replace the liner, then clean the grate with degreaser and a regular sponge. Don't forget the heat deflector. It cleans very well when hot. Cleaning the inside of the grill after turning off the grill is essential. Spray the degreaser on the hot surfaces. Let it sit for a few seconds, then wipe with a regular sponge. Use a wire sponge for stubborn buildup in the corners. To complete the internal cleaning, we need to collect the ash deposited from the combustion of the pellets during cooking. This step is very simple. Just use a vacuum cleaner. A quick clean of the exterior with degreaser and a sponge. Then it's time to reassemble. First the flame guard, the heat deflector, then those sparkling grates. Your Pro 575 is now ready for your next fantastic cookout. The final step is to put on the cover for our barbecue. It's important to keep rain out of the pellet popper. 5 minutes off saves you hours later. What's your biggest barbecue maintenance challenge? Leave it in the comments. Your question could be my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more barbecue tips that really work.